Hi, it's Rashmi here. How is the preparation for Diwali going on, guys? I'm here with my second recipe of Diwali series, which is besan ka laddu. The first recipe is Kesariya Rajbhog. You can click on the above link to watch it. Hello friends. The one thing which is common in every household during Diwali is of course laddus. चाहे वो बेसन के लड्डू हो, चाहे नारियल के लड्डू हो या फिर मोतीचूर के लड्डू. स्पेशली बेसन के लड्डू जो हम भगवान को भी चढ़ाते हैं एंड वी ऑफर टू आवर गेस्ट्स ऑल्सो हु कम विजिटिंग ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. तो चलिए फटाफट देखते हैं बेसन के लड्डू मैं कैसे बनाती हूँ. उसके लिए मैंने लिया है हाफ के जी बेसन, 400 grams of sugar. This is 300 to 350 grams of घी we will use. और प्लस 1 टेबलस्पून मैंने लिया है नट्स को फ्राई करने के लिए. 1 cup ईच ऑफ नट्स. आप अपनी मर्जी से कोई भी नट्स डाल सकते हो और यू कैन टोटली स्किप ऑल्सो इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक. यहाँ मैंने लिया है बादाम 1 कप, मखाना 1 कप और आधा कप काजू और 3-4 कार्डमम्स. सबसे पहले चीनी लेंगे. I'll put half of the sugar in a jar and put the cardamoms in it and I'll grind it to a fine powder. If you want, you can use burra sugar also. Now let's grind the other half. तो अभी हमारी सारी चीज़ें तैयार हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम नट्स को विल फ्राई इट. Let's switch on the gas. I'll put 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. The cashews doesn't take time to fry, so I'll first fry the cashews. It'll just take 2 odd minutes. We will fry the nuts on a very low heat, as it will increase the shelf life of laddus as it keeps well for 40 to 45 days. गैस को धीमा कर लेते हैं. Last goes the makhanas into it. Now time to fry the besan. I'll put little bit of ghee, just 2 tablespoons of it. Put the besan on a sieve. You can do it before also. It's an easy recipe. The most important is the roasting method. You have to roast it patiently on a low flame until the raw smell goes and the color is replaced by a beautiful golden hue. Roasting besan correctly is the key to aromatic and delicious laddus. So we have to stir it constantly with great patience. In the meanwhile, when the besan is frying, I'll chop the nuts, keeping an eye on the besan also. बादाम और काजू को चॉप कर लिया है. Now I'll crush the makhanas also with my hands. मुझे इसे भूनते हुए आधे घंटे हो चुके हैं, but don't go by the time and decide by the color of the besan and the smell of it. Now I'll switch off the gas. I have almost dry roasted the besan. So at this point I'll add ghee little at a time so that we don't add more than it is required to form the laddus. Here we have to stir the besan for few minutes to avoid further cooking, as the kadhai is hot and it can burn the besan easily. When you are frying the besan, it will fill your house and the neighborhood with a beautiful smell. will require a bigger utensil to mix everything. So I'll replace it in a bigger kadhai so that we can mix the sugar also. We will have to wait for few minutes for besan to come to room temperature. अगर गरम बेसन में शुगर मिलाएंगे तो शुगर will melt and it will be difficult to form the laddus. Mix well to incorporate the sugar and if required, knead with your hands to mix it. Here I have heated the remaining ghee and kept it. If you feel the laddu mixture is dry, you can add little more. And make all the laddus like this till this mixture is finished. As you all can see friends, laddus are ready. I have some dry fruits which I have fried. You can decorate it. Nuts. Laddus are ready. You can keep it in an airtight container when it comes to room temperature. Friends, hope you like the recipe. Do give it a try before Diwali. Thank you friends for watching. Stay tuned for more Diwali recipes. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. A very happy and safe Diwali. Bye for now.